Hello dear 4th graders, today's topic is power plants and their types. When we are talking about power plants, they are divided into two groups, conventional power plants and alternative power sources. We will start with conventional power plants. Hydroelectric power plants. You have here a picture of hydroelectric dam and the process of producing electrical energy. The use of a dam allows hydroelectric power plants to store water in an artificial lake. When released, the force of the water spins the blades of giant turbines, which are connected to a generator which produces energy. Hydropower is one of the most important renewable energy resources because it is reliable, efficient, and does not pollute the air, which is very important. Although it has high initial costs, it's cheap to operate. Unfortunately, it has a great impact on the environment, as humans, animals, and plants may lose their natural habitats. Thermoelectric power plants. They provide about 2/3 of the world's electricity. You have here the process of producing power in these sorts of plants. These plants burn fossil fuels such as coal, oil, or natural gas, which are all non-renewable resources. That is a major drawback because that means that in the future there will be a limited supply of these resources. But the main advantage of these power plants is that they are reliable and can meet the demand in peak periods. Electricity generated by heating water in a boiler to create steam, which is then pressurized and used to turn the blades of giant turbines that produce electricity. These power plants cause environmental pollution because of the combustion of fossil fuels which release carbon dioxide. And nuclear power plants. About 10% of the world's electric power is produced by these sort of plants. They require little fuel and cause much less air pollution than other power plants, but it can cause severe health and environmental problems when accidents occur, with the consequent release of radioactive material. This type of energy is produced by splitting of atoms of uranium, which releases heat. This process, which is called fusion, produces large amounts of steam, which is used to turn the blades of turbines, thus creating energy. The main problems with nuclear power are linked to the location of the power plants, as people are not quite willing to have these plants near their homes because of these above mentioned problems and the disposal of waste material which stays radioactive for centuries. That's it for conventional power plants, and on the next class we will continue with alternative power sources. Goodbye, we'll be in touch.